Hi Squires, I'm here with a quick tutorial on how to use one of the databases at the Contra Costa County Library. So you can see I've started here at ccclib.org. You could also use the direct link to the database and sign in from the infographic. But if you come here first, go to Digital Resources, and then scroll down till you find the books and reading, and you'll want to click on NoveList. Enter your library card number and your last name. And one quick nerdy librarian tip is I keep my library card numbers on a keep note on my phone because rarely do I have my library cards next to me, but 99% of the time my phone is within reach. So that might be a good tip for you. So once you get into NoveList, it'll look like this. And what I would suggest is picking the name of a book that you loved. So I might start with a book that I've loved recently called Scythe, and I'll type that in and search for that book. The reason I'm going to do this is twofold. There are two routes that you could take to find other great reads. This is my favorite thing about NoveList is it gives you read-alikes. So you can see from here, this is the book. I can tell by the cover. I can do title read-alikes, author read-alikes, and series read-alikes. So going that direction, I can also click on the title, and what will pop up are going to be read-alikes along the side. Okay, so you can see right there, I've got a whole bunch of different books that I might choose from. And today I learned, I can't believe I didn't know this, that there is a Hunger Games #0 for all of you Hunger Games fans. It's out. So you can click on the book title this way, or you could view them all here. And this isn't quite as beautiful of a version when you view all because there's no pictures. But it does tell you the reason why the database thinks it is a read-alike. So you can read that reason, and if that reason sounds great, then you might have a book that you want to read. The next thing you could do, or the second way you might find a book that you like from one you already liked or loved, is to come down to the bottom and take a look at the genres, the tone, the subjects, and you can click a couple of those or just one of those and find books that also have that subject. So maybe I loved all of the corruption that was in the book Scythe. So I'm going to click that and search on just that subject to find books that are about corruption. And when I get onto this page, you're going to see there's over 1,000. A lot of books on corruption in this world. I wonder why. Probably it's going to be pulling in adult books because NoveList Plus goes from kindergarten all the way through adult reading. So you can limit your search by, depending, do you want middle grade? Select ages 9 through 12. Do you want teen? Select teen. You can select them both and then update your results. Now you can see that we've limited it to 98, which is still quite a few, but hopefully within here you might read about a few other titles that contain that interesting topic that you also might want to read. So that was my quick tutorial on NoveList Plus, a database available for you at the Contra Costa County Library. All you need is your library card to get in there and find new great books.